Hey everybody.
Hey everybody, I'm Gary.
I'm Greg.
Hey, we're in the car.
You know what that means.
Yeah, we're on another adventure.
Yes, sir.
Say, hey, won't you pull up a chair and get in the back seat and come along with us? We're going to have a great time. So let's get this venture started. Hey guys, so we've arrived at our destination.
Yep.
Can you guess where we're at? I'll give you a hint. It has moss-covered water cypress trees. It has moss-covered old oak trees. We're going for dessert and coffee. Can you guess where we're at? You'll find out in the video anyways. But we're here.
All right.
And we're going to get started right now. Show the trees.
Yeah. I mean, you probably saw from the intro, the thumbnail on the video, that it was Port Orleans.
This is like one of my favorite resorts. I guess because it reminds me of home so much.
Yeah.
But I just love coming here.
Yeah.
It's a bit grandiose with all the Mardi Gras decor and stuff, but it's really super nice.
Mm-hmm.
We've not stayed here, but we've toured it quite a few times.
Yeah. It's a nice resort. You smell the beignets? Can you smell the beignets?
You can actually smell them.
I smell them. Hey, how you doing?
Not so hot anymore right now.
It's actually nice.
Most hurricanes been really nice out here.
Yeah. This is the lobby of the Port Orleans French Quarter Hotel. Soon we'll be going out there, but first, Floatworks. So we got some Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend.
So good.
Coffee. Oh
So
yeah.
hot. So hot. It's like really hot.
It's super hot, but
Greg's
so
cooking
good.
up. It's got cream and sugar in it. I drink it black,
Yeah.
so it's really hot. It's like I really like sip, fox my glasses up.
But we ordered beignets. We're waiting on them to be made. Got some pumpkin spice beignets.
Yes, we're getting the pumpkin spice beignets.
And some plain
We
ones.
got some regular and we got some caramel dip.
Caramel dip to go on it. So We're just waiting for them to call your name. Look at these. I can't tell if I can smell them. I think those are regular. I think these are the pumpkin spice. They look the same, but they look amazing. In case you need one.
So these are the what?
I'll tell you in a second.
These are the pumpkins. They're not pumpkin.
That's regular. Take a bite out of one of those.
See that pretty Mickey head?
Aren't they cute? They're good too. Just saying.
Looks regular to me too.
Oh well.
It's not pumpkin.
That's not pumpkin either. It's still good. Is the sugar different?
Yeah, they just sprinkle a little pumpkin spice on it. You can actually see it off colored there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because that's white. This is like a little off-white. It's messy.
So we're going to enjoy our coffee and our dessert, and we'll let you know how it goes.
Cheers.
Okay? Cheers.
Hey, concierge?
The plain powdered sugar.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's so good.
I know. They're cooked.
What's that?
We'll have one of these now.
Oh yeah.
One of the pumpkin ones.
Took us a minute to figure out the difference.
They're good and fluffy. They're hot. So they're made to order. They're cooked to order. Now we got to walk some sugar off.
Yeah. What did you think?
Oh, they're so good. I can't help it. They're
Coffee.
just so good. The
Yeah.
coffee was fabulous too. You know.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, and the pumpkin spice aren't
so happy.
real pumpkin spicy. Just enough on there to add for an added flavor.
It was just the sugar that was on the top. It had a little
So
pumpkin
it's
spice
really-
in it.
It's really good. It's really good.
So we're gonna walk over to the river and see if we can catch the boat. See you there. Looks like it's got a fresh paint job.
Huh?
It looks like they've given it a fresh paint job. Looks really nice.
Look at the magnolias. Has a very French Quarter feel about it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
The lanterns and well, they're actually lights, but they're to look like lanterns. The magnolia trees, the wrought irons.
Yeah. It's so pretty.
Bourbon Street Band.
Alright. So that's the pool area. And the splash pad for the kids. Here comes a boat.
Boo.
Oh, hey. Boo.
Howdy.
Howdy. Comes a boat.
I just can't do it.
What's that? Look.
Michael,
Oh yeah.
بص البتاع. Hey, بص البتاع.
Yeah. Pues en
Yeah, no. Okay, but I don't know.
It was like one of those river boats. And it was a casino boat. And they was smoking You want to try and get the next food?
Sure.
Water bottle.
In the car.
This boat is stopping only to pick up people going to Riverside. And there's two people that want to go to Riverside from here. So they're stopping, and if two people get off that boat, then two people can get on, because that one's full. Woo! Gonna get on.
Huh?
We're getting on.
Welcome aboard. Watch your
Thank
step.
you.
Thank you all for coming. Couple single seats left open. One there, one back there. Not outside. One back in the back there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get blacklisted. They're really gonna block me. I had to create another email so I didn't make reservations. I was trying to get you to try places. But yes, I do need it a lot. It was for you.
Hey,
Hey,
we are on a boat to Disney Springs.
we're on a boat. That's
Yep.
scary.
We're facing backwards. So it's kind of hard to see where we're going without turning
Just
around.
take a boat ride there and back, not getting out.
Yeah.
Don't want to shop.
All right.
Enjoy the view.
case we have anybody on board who has never seen Disney Springs before. There it is. I really heightened the excitement there, didn't I? Everything you see from the giant circus tent-like building where Cirque du Soleil is putting on their newest show, all the way down to the far end where you have the Rainforest Cafe blowing its top every half hour. And of course everything in between. Lots of shops, lots of restaurants, a bowling alley, a movie theater, the world's largest helium-filled balloon, characters in flight. There's also some food trucks and some open-air stages for music and show. And of course, just so you're not caught unawares, there will be thousands and thousands and thousands of other people just waiting for you to join them. Congratulations. Once you're done eating, drinking, and of course shopping, feel free to come down to the Marketplace dock. That's the dock right next to the Rainforest, all the way down the far end. That's the only dock that we're using at this time. The boat back to Riverside with the yellow flag runs every 15 minutes the rest of the evening. There's also a purple flag boat that goes to French Quarter. If the French Quarter boat is not there for you going to French Quarter, feel free to get on the Riverside boat and we will drop you off. At the very least, we'll slow down. You do the best you can. The boats run until 11:30 tonight. At 11:30 and 1 second, the dockmaster will put a chain across the dock. So if you try to come down at that time, you're going to trip over the chain, you're going to get yourself back up, you're going to say, oh yeah, that Captain Mike told me that there's a bus terminal. The bus terminal is right in the middle of Disney Springs behind the Coca-Cola building. If you look over to our right, you see the gray dome of Planet Hollywood. That's right in the same general area as the Coke building, and right behind the Coke building is a fine bus terminal with buses that run until 1 o'clock. Feel free to come and ride with us up till 11:30. After 8:30 tonight, all of our purple flagged and yellow flag boats are combination boats, and they'll be half and half. Half purple, half yellow. So feel free to come down and look for the yellow and purple flag. Rainforest is blowing up now as we speak, or the cook has dropped a burger into the grill. You never can tell. There are 3 boats in front of me at the dock, so we're going to be holding here at the buoy for just a couple more seconds because we are ahead of schedule. As always, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. If you're seated, stay seated. If you're standing when I get to the dock, please hold on to the handrails. Once I do get us tied up safely, I'll come back, open the door, and say, all clear. Welcome to Disney Springs. Contrary to what my name tag says, I am not Frank from Pennsylvania. My name is Mike from Milwaukee. For those of you that got on the boat back at Riverside, you noticed that there was water under the deck, and that's where my name tag is as well. In the meantime, the slight punishment is I have to wear someone else's name tag, Frank, who did not pass his driving test. So now I am Frank from Pennsylvania, and they tell me in costuming it'll be another week before I have a new name tag. So I'll be Frank for the next week, but you can remember me as Mike from Milwaukee, and I'm going to try to get you to that dock as safe as I can as soon as these next 2 boats leave. Just sit back and relax. Enjoy the music coming from the waterfront stage over there. Although it does sound just like a drum over and over again.
Well, we got off the boat. Now we're getting back on the boat. So we couldn't stay on it. We had to get off and then come back in. So we're in line again.
We had to get back in the queue.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how it worked.
Yeah.
Here
He
we
said
are.
in the middle of the
not
afternoon.
bad.
Said in the middle of the afternoon you could do it.
Yeah.
Stay on. But when there's so many
But during
people
dinner
here.
hours.
Yeah. There's too many people waiting. So But it was a cool ride.
Before, but we've got off here. We've not
Yeah.
did a return trip.
Yeah. So, anyway, it was a nice ride over. Hopefully, when we go back, we can sit facing forwards instead of backwards.
That'd be nice. Let's see, hurt my booty.
I was twisted around trying to film it, so my back's hurting now. All right, well, we'll see how long this takes.
Hi folks, welcome aboard. I'm happy to see all of you. Just so you know, this is French Quarter only. That's why they were asking if you were going to French Quarter. If I have any of my guests that are going to Riverside, know that you will be dropped off at French Quarter, and then we can get you on a yellow flag boat that stops. Okay? So is anyone going to Riverside? Perfect silence. Thank you so much.
I've had to explain a few times that even if there's an open seat, it's usually because we have a lot of little ones on set that they use too. And I have to have them like stack it on certain that is the US
Thank you.
Folks, have a good evening.
You too.
You're very welcome.
Oh, hey.
Did you enjoy the boat ride?
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very relaxing.
Yeah, it was.
And then we had a good time.
Kind of breezy. Wind's kind of stopped blowing right now, so it's kind of humid.
Yeah. Starting to feel like Florida again.
Yeah, really.
Well, they said it's supposed to rain this week, so if we have rain this week, that's probably why it's humid.
Yeah, probably.
Rain's coming. But we're gonna close out the video. We thank you for watching. We hope you
thanks,
enjoyed
guys.
it. Thanks for
Be
coming
sure to
along with us.
subscribe.
If you like the video, give it a
the
thumbs up.
Yeah, we like thumbs up.
Yep. And
Tell your friends and family about us. Have them subscribe.
yep.
You know, you may want to research Port Orleans a little more if you're looking for a family vacation or a lover's getaway. It's a great place to stay.
It's really nice.
It benefits both.
Yeah.
So maybe we showed you something that you'll like and spike your interest.
Especially beignets. Mickey Beignets.
Oh yeah, just come for the beignets. Yeah.
It's worth it.
Oh,
Worth
gosh,
it.
they're so good.
Yep. All right. Well, we'll talk
So
to
be
you
sure to give
soon.
us a thumbs up.
Yep.
Like our subscribe and like us, and we'll see you next time.
All right.
God bless.
Bye-bye, everybody.